Rachel, and in this video, we will be learning about the diphthongs A and I. Diphthongs are a combination of two sounds, so they have a starting position and an ending position. The A sound starts with how you say E as in pen vowel, and ends with the sound E as in missed vowel, like A. Whereas the I starts with the vowel as in arm and ends with an E, like I. Let's practice these sounds in some words. Pain, pine, lake, like, main, mine, tray, try, crane, cry. Now say it with me. Pain, pine, lake, like, main, mine, tray, try, crane, cry. Now let's practice some example sentences. On the first example, it focuses with the A sound. David waited at the train station. David waited at the train station. Now say it with me. David waited at the train station. On the second example, it focuses with the I sound. I want to try skydiving. I want to try skydiving. Now say it with me. I want to try skydiving. So now you have practiced some words and sentences. I hope you know the differences of these sounds. See you next time!